Welcome back to Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. We will embark on an exciting journey into the intricate world of database manipulation. Get ready to delve deep into the art of cloning tables and executing precision update statements. Whether you're a beginner who is eager to learn or a seasoned SQL veteran, there's something valuable for everyone. Let's dive right in. Before we dive into the code, let's grasp the concept of cloning tables. Cloning involves creating a duplicate of an existing table, preserving its structure and data. This versatile tool serves various purposes, from data backup to experimentation and beyond. Imagine you have a digital collection of your favorite recipes stored in a MySQL database. Each recipe contains details like ingredients, instructions, and ratings. Now, suppose you want to share your recipe collection with a friend without giving them direct access to your original database. In this situation, cloning the data is the perfect solution. You decide to clone your recipe database by exporting a copy of the data into a new file or document. This copy contains all the recipes and their details, but exists separately from your original database. You can then share this cloned data file with your friend, allowing them to access and explore the recipes without altering your original collection. Imagine we have a complex users table with critical information such as user IDs, names, code names, countries, and more. Our mission here is to clone this table and execute precise updates. Let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Before that, let's create a quick table with table name as details, where we will be having details ID as int, which is integer. This will be primary key. Next is details name as varchar 255. Next is details pin code as int. Click on execute and your table is now created. First up, let's explore basic table cloning. We have two methods at our disposal, one for basic cloning and another advanced cloning for precise replication, including column properties. For basic cloning, we execute a single SQL command, create table with name users _clone, then write as. After this, we will reference to the table, which we created previously by writing select * from details. Then execute it. This duplicates the table and its data, but not its complete structure, so for precision cloning, we use advanced cloning method. For advanced cloning, we write the code as create table details clone. Then we use the like clause and write it as like details referencing the original table. Now we will execute this as well. This command replicates the exact structure of the original table, including keys and column properties. Since we have copied structure of the table, now to insert data we use the statement insert into, then name of the table, in this case it is details clone, then write select * from details table. Now execute this as well. You have now successfully cloned a table. The basic method does not copy structure, constraints, and indexes. That is done by advanced cloning. About indexes and constraints, we will learn more about it in upcoming videos. Now, let's execute some precision update statements to fine-tune our data. Now let's learn about update statements. These are crucial for modifying existing records. But precision is key. Update statements are powerful tools for modifying existing records in a database. They allow us to make changes to specific data points without altering the entire datasets. However, precision is essential to ensure that our updates target the right records accurately. Let's explore this concept further. When we talk about precision in update statements, we're referring to the ability to specify exactly which records should be modified. This involves identifying unique identifiers or criteria that differentiate the records we want to update from others in the database. By being precise in our update criteria, we minimize the risk of unintended changes and maintain data integrity. Let's consider a day-to-day scenario to understand the importance of precision in update statements. Imagine you have an address book app on your phone with contacts for friends, family, and colleagues. Now, suppose your friend Emily recently changed her phone number. Using an update statement with precision is crucial to ensure that only Emily's contact information is updated and not anyone else's. For this, you open your address book app and locate Emily's contact entry. With a precise update statement, you can edit her phone number field directly, ensuring that only her record is modified. This prevents accidental changes to other contacts' details, maintaining accuracy and reliability in your address book. In everyday tasks like managing an address book, precision in update statements streamlines data maintenance processes and minimizes errors. Whether it's updating contact information, adjusting inventory levels, or modifying project statuses, precision ensures that our changes are applied exactly where needed, without causing disruptions or inconsistencies. Let's explore another example to highlight the significance of precision in update statements. Imagine you're managing inventory for a small business and you need to update the stock levels for a specific product. Using a precise update statement, you can adjust the inventory count for that product without affecting the quantities of other items in stock. By specifying the unique identifier or SKU, stock keeping unit of the product in your update statement, you ensure that only the inventory data for that item is modified. This level of precision is essential for accurate inventory management, preventing discrepancies and ensuring that your records reflect the true state of your stock. Precision is paramount when using update statements to modify existing records. By being precise in our criteria and targeting only the records that require modification, we maintain data accuracy and integrity. Whether it's updating contact details or managing inventory, precision ensures that our database operations run smoothly and effectively. Now, let's dive deeper into the anatomy of update statements. These powerful tools allow us to manipulate data with fineness, ensuring our database remains accurate and up to date. Now let's see how to execute update statement in MySQL. Update statements follow a simple syntax. Update table _name, set column known equal to value n, column 2 equal to value 2. Now use where clause with the required condition. Let's break it down step by step. The update keyword initiates the update operation, followed by the name of the table we're modifying. Next comes the set keyword, where we specify the columns to be updated along with their new values. The where clause is crucial as it specifies the conditions that must be met for the update to occur. Conditional updates allow us to modify records based on specific criteria. When using update statements, it's essential to follow best practices. Always double-check your where clause to ensure you're targeting the right records. Test your queries in a safe environment before executing them on production data. Now let's see with few hands-on examples how to execute update statement in MySQL. Let's first create a table to work on. First, we will create table with any name you want. Right now we are proceeding with user clone table. We will keep user ID as n and primary key, then first name, last name, and code name as varchar50, and salary as decimal 10,2. Now execute this code. Next, we will put some data in the table. To do that, we will use insert into clause on user clone table and then enter all the column names which are present in the table inside a parenthesis. And then we will use values clause to give values to those columns. Once you have entered some values, execute the code. Now let's come to the main part. Suppose Mr. Bond prefers James over Jimmy. We execute update users _clone set first _name is James, where user _ID equals to 1. This updates only his record. Now successfully, Mr. Bond is now James. But what about Agent Ryan's requests? Agent Ryan, aka Jack, needs a code name and a salary adjustment. We execute it as update users _clone set code _name is Neo 2.0, salary equals to 115,000, where first _name is Jack and last _name is Ryan. This updates multiple fields for specific users. Mission accomplished. Agent Ryan is now Neo 2.0 and his salary matches his expertise. But wait, there's more. Update statements offer advanced capabilities, from conditional updates to mathematical operations. Just want to give everyone a 10% raise? It's possible with a single query. We execute it by writing update users _clone set salary equal to salary * 1.1. This increases every agent's salary by 10%, ensuring their loyalty and morale remain high. Well done! With precision update statements, we fine-tuned our data with surgical precision. Advanced techniques, such as using subqueries and joins, further enhance the power of update statements. This we will discuss in the coming videos of the SQL playlist. These allow us to perform complex data manipulations with ease and efficiency. In conclusion, update statements are indispensable tools for maintaining data integrity and accuracy in SQL databases. By mastering these statements, you gain the power to shape your data with precision and fineness. To recap, Cloning tables in SQL empower us to replicate data effortlessly. Precision update statements allow us to modify data with surgical precision, ensuring accuracy and efficiency in our database management. And that concludes our comprehensive guide to cloning tables and executing precision update statements in SQL. I hope you found this tutorial enlightening and empowering. Remember, practice makes us perfect. In the upcoming video, we will learn about selection from statements and the usage of distinct in SQL. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting and informative content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.